Okay, everybody, here's your behind the scenes look. What you doing there, buddy? Good job. What are these? What are these things for?
Planted seeds.
Okay. These are 72 cell Pro Hex seed trays. Today's video is going to be kind of a fun, quick behind the scenes look to what we're gonna be gearing up for here later today, and we'll be making another video all about seed starting. So we took our shelving unit right here and removed the top shelf that we had some of our grow lights on, because we're now going to hang these grow lights instead of being fixed like you see right there attached on the grid. We're going to be using these 72 cell trays, and then right here, this tray is a tray that we have full of perennial flowers and annual flowers. And then this tray right here has all of our herbs in it right now. We detailed those in our first seed starting video of the season. So it is great to have little hands to help around the house, and especially when it comes to gardening and stuff like this, because although you are only 4, you can get a lot of work done, right?
Yeah.
Do you like working in the garden?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing to do in the garden?
Plant seeds.
Plant seeds?
Yeah.
What about eat the food? Don't you like eating the food too?
Yeah. And I like tomatoes.
Yeah, you love tomatoes.
Yeah, I only like big tomatoes, not yellow ones.
I thought you liked the little tomatoes.
But I do a little bit.
Okay, well, we're gonna have some giant tomatoes this year. The Cherokee purple tomatoes we're gonna be growing. Well, anyways, let's get to work. We're gonna build these shelves and get the lights set up, and then I will give you guys another final overview before we check out for the day. We've built our shelf and got the seeds planted. This is round 1 of seed planting for the season. On this top shelf, as I said before, we've got some perennial herbs, perennial flowers, annual flowers, and then these 2 trays are the ones that my son and I just got germinating today. The first 72 cell tray, we have poblano peppers, Sun King broccoli, red acre cabbage, white Vienna and purple Vienna kohlrabi, and Swiss chard. There is a couple of more vegetables that we'll be adding in early April to this tray, but since it is mid-March, it is not yet time to germinate them. And then in this one here, we have all of our tomatoes. The tomato varieties that we've decided to grow this year, among a list that I'm sure will grow, we're probably going to find some other varieties as we're out shopping, but that's the Super Sweet 100. They're small, like cherry tomatoes. Then there is the classic beefsteak tomato. We're also growing the Rutgers tomato, and one of my personal favorites from last year was the Cherokee purple tomato. They grow just absolutely massive, and they are an incredible heirloom variety that you guys should have in your gardens as well. Our flower seedlings here do look a little bit leggy because we didn't have them under any really powerful grow lights at all. When they were germinating, they were kind of set aside. So they should be able to do a lot better now that we've got them under our Bloom Plus LED grow light. Very excited to grow them under there. And we've got a variety of grow lights here going on, but this Bloom Plus one seems to be a great quality light that I just got recently. So excited to see how that does. So seems like the construction is really well and affordable light too. So we will keep you guys updated as well. Let's take a look at these herbs. I think all of the herbs we have growing under here are going to do great as well. Very excited. So these are 2 trays of vegetables, herbs, and flowers. And under here we are going to get another LED grow light, grow some more vegetables, and probably some other flower seedlings. We're going to start doing that as well, get them going down here. So we're going to have lots of plants coming up here, growing, germinating, and of course we will be updating you guys on the progress of all these things as they do grow. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next episode.